In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create financial statements in QuickBooks Online. If you need a clear snapshot of how your business is performing, financial statements are one of the most important tools you can use. In QuickBooks Online, creating them is straightforward once you know where everything is and what each report is designed to show. To begin, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores the reporting tools you'll use to review your company's financial activity. Once you're in the Reports area, look for the Business Overview section. Here you'll choose the main financial statement you want to create. If you want to review income, expenses, and overall profitability for a specific period, select Profit and Loss, which is also known as the income statement. This report is useful when you want to understand whether the business made a profit or operated at a loss during a selected time frame. If you need a snapshot of the company's financial position at a single point in time, choose the balance sheet. This report summarizes assets, liabilities, and equity, helping you see what the business owns, what it owes, and the value remaining in the company. If your focus is cash movement, select the Statement of Cash Flows. This report tracks how money moves in and out of the business, which can be especially helpful when you want to understand liquidity and cash management. After selecting the statement you need, go to the top of the report page to set the parameters. Use the drop-down menus to choose the report period, such as this month or year-to-date, depending on the time frame you want to analyze. You'll also choose the accounting method, either cash or accrual. This setting matters because it changes how transactions appear in the report, so make sure it matches the way you want to review your financial data. Once those settings are in place, the report will run automatically. If you need more detailed information, click Customize in the upper right corner. From there, you can apply filters, group the report by customer, or adjust column headers to make the statement more useful for your specific needs. Customizing reports can save time and make your review process much more efficient. When you're happy with the report, click Save Customization if you want to run the same version again later without repeating the setup. You can also export the statement as a PDF or Excel file by clicking the matching icons, which is helpful for sharing, printing, or doing further analysis outside QuickBooks Online. And that's how to create financial statements in QuickBooks Online quickly and effectively.